Hi boys and girls. So today you guys are going to do a scientific investigation using the scientific method or some of the scientific method. So the first thing you need to do, this is called gummy bear and water. So first, before you look at the gummy bear and water, no peeking, you're going to write 3 adjectives to describe what the gummy bear looks like before soaking in water. So you should be looking at a little baggie with a gummy bear. So I want you to write down 3 describing words, 3 adjectives. Remember, you can use your sense of touch, your sense of sight, make some observations, and write down 3 adjectives. Next, we have a question. So as scientists, we ask lots of questions. So the question for this investigation is, what will happen to the gummy bear when it is placed in a cup of water? So now as a scientist, you are going to make a hypothesis. And hopefully you learned that a hypothesis is your guess. So it's going to be a statement of what you think will happen. So you're not going to write a question here, and you're not going to write I think. You're going to write something like, when the gummy bear is placed in water, and then whatever you think. So it's basically like you're telling me what is going to happen, but it's still just your guess. Okay? So go ahead and pause and do that. Now once you've done that, you should have everything filled out up here. Now you're going to go check out the investigation. So you're going to look at the cup of water with the gummy bear in it, and you're going to observe again, but this time you're going to observe the gummy bear in water. So you're going to write 3 adjectives to describe your observations of the gummy bear after being placed in a cup of water. So what are 3 words you could describe? They might be different than the words you used up here. So you have to decide, are things the same? Are things different? What 3 adjectives can you use to describe that gummy bear now? So go ahead and pause and do that. And then the last thing says, how did the gummy bear change after being soaked in water? Did it change? Did it not change? Make sure you write a nice sentence, capital letter, spaces, neat handwriting, and a period at the end to tell us how the gummy bear changed, or if it didn't change, you can tell us that. Remember, don't tell your classmates what happened in the investigation, because you want to let them experience it themselves and try for themselves. Alrighty, go ahead and listen to this again if you need to hear the directions again. Good luck!